How do you manage your products? It's a simple question, but if you ask 10 different businesses, you tend to get 10 different answers. Maybe you're working off a giant CSV file. Maybe you use PDFs. Maybe you run a custom e-commerce site. Or maybe your data is just tied up in a complex ERP. The point is, your setup is unique to you. Yet almost every digital catalog platform out there expects you to behave the same exact way. Instead of adapting to your business, they just give you a blank dashboard and they say, good luck figuring it out. That's exactly why we built Catalogy. We don't just sell you a login, we build your catalog infrastructure around you. Whether you're a small team looking to create a stunning catalog or a global enterprise that needs to automate thousands of them, we are the specialists that enable you to make that happen. Here's how it actually works. First, we get in a call with you, see exactly how you do things right now. If you already have a workflow that you love, then we'll build a custom solution that integrates right into it. If your current process is a mess, we'll build you a brand new workflow from scratch. We help you handle the integrations, we help you map the data, and we even set up the design for you if you need it. So instead of spending months fighting with a new platform, you step into a system that's already built for your business. We get rid of the learning curve, so you have the power to easily create professional, interactive, shoppable digital catalogs that do exactly what you need them to do. Don't change your business for a software tool. Get a digital catalog solution built specifically for your business. Visit Catalogy.com.